Good morning. It is Marcus Francis back with the weather forecast. Now, before I look into your weather forecasts, we do have two weather alerts in effect to talk about. A flood watch remains in effect for Blunt, Loudoun, McMinn, Monroe, and Sevier County in Tennessee, as costs flash flooding is caused as the rainfall continues to be possible. And the impacts will include a one-off resulting flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and low-lying and flood-prone locations. Low water crosses may be flooded. Area floods and streams are running high and could flood with more heavy rain possible. Also, a wind advisory in effect for Blunt, Cobb, Greene, and Sevier counties in East Tennessee, as winds will be blowing out of southwest from 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour in the mountains of Tennessee from 4 p.m. this afternoon to evening Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts will be gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Let's take a look at your weather forecast specifically for Massville, Tennessee. It's currently cloudy and 53 degrees with mist being reported. The wind is blowing out of the east at 8 miles per hour. Dew point is 51 degrees. Feels like 53 degrees as there's no wind chill. So similar to the actual temperature. Sunrise rose this morning at 7:27 a.m. and will set this evening at 6:16 p.m. Now take a look at your hour-by-hour forecast. Coming up at 11, this has to be 55 degrees and cloudy. Then by 2 p.m., this has to be 59 degrees with under cloud conditions with rainfall continuing. Then by 4 p.m., this has to be 58 degrees under cloudy conditions and rainy. Then by 6 p.m. it's supposed to be 56 degrees under cloudy conditions with the possibility of scattered showers and thunderstorms cannot be ruled out. Then by 9 p.m. it's supposed to be 53 degrees and under cloudy conditions with rainfall occurring. And then by 10 p.m. it's supposed to be cooling down to 51 degrees under cloudy and rainfall will lingering and continue. As they look at your satellite and radar composite to expect, we are looking at cloudy conditions with very light sprinkles and rainfall south of Knoxville and east of Newport, south of Tusculum, and parts of south of the Fall as well. But as we go throughout the day, it's the rainfall to pick up in coverage, and 2 to 4 inches of rain is possible from today's rain, and from Friday through Monday's rain as well. When I look at your, as you go throughout the day is expected to be cloudy with occasional rain during the afternoon. Thunderstorms will be possible with a high around 59. Winds are blowing out of the east-southeast. Will be at 5 to 10 miles per hour as it will be light and variable. and a chance is with a 90% chance of rain following day. Wind will be at the east-southeast at 6 miles an hour. And the UV index is low, as it is a 2. Then it's going to go throughout the night. Tonight is going to be under cloudy conditions, with rainfall ending early, remaining cloudy. Snow mixing in with a low 137, as that is a possibility. Winds will be blowing out of the west at 25 miles an hour, as it held on to a 90% chance of precipitation. Then so look at your 8-day forecast. But expect an 80% chance of rainfall, with PM gusty winds and rain and storms occurring. High 61, low 37. Then we'd expect rainfall to linger Monday night into Tuesday morning. And then for your Tuesday morning, expect a 20% chance of AM mountain snow showers and flurries possible. And we can see good accumulation of snow, up to 5,000 feet in elevation. High 50, low 32. Then for your Valentine's Day Wednesday, which is going to be sunny and clear, as highs in the mid 50s to around 57 degrees, and lows in the mid 30s to around 33 degrees. And then for your Thursday, this is going to be sunny with intervals of clouds. High around 60 and lows in the mid 30s to around 35. Then for your Friday, it's expected to be a 10% chance of precipitation. Otherwise, sunny and partly cloudy. Highs will be in the upper 50s to around 58 degrees, and lows will be in the mid 30s to around 36 degrees. Then for your Saturday, it's an AM 20% chance of an isolated rain shower. Otherwise, will be under cloudy conditions. Highs will be up 40s to around 48 degrees, and lows will be in low 30s to around 32 degrees, which will be around freezing. Then for your Sunday, expect a 10% chance of an isolated rain shower. Otherwise, not likely. It would be more sunny with abundant sunshine, with the very few thin clouds. Highs in the upper 40s to around 49 degrees, and lows in the upper 20s to around 29 degrees. And then for your next Monday, we're expected to be sunny and clear with intervals of clouds, with high around 53 degrees. And that's it for your latest weather forecast. Your future meteorologist, Marcus Francis. So have a good rest of your morning and a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you see this video, and I'll catch you in the next weather update. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless.